In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Chrome cache on Windows 11. If your browser feels sluggish, pages look outdated, or a site isn't loading correctly, clearing the cache is a quick and safe fix. The cache is just a temporary folder where Chrome stores images and files from websites to load them faster next time. Over time, it can get cluttered, and giving it a reset helps Chrome run smoothly again. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu. From here, choose Settings. That takes you into a dedicated page where you can control how Chrome behaves. On the left side of the Settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section is all about your data, what Chrome saves, and how it protects your browsing. In the main area, find and click Delete Browsing Data. This is the tool we'll use to clear the cache. You'll see a window with tabs at the top. Stay on the Basic tab for this task. First, set the time range to All Time. This ensures you remove all cached files, not just the recent ones. Next, make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. This is the specific type of data we want to clear to refresh how websites load. If you only want to clear the cache and keep everything else, make sure the other items are unchecked. That means leave browsing history and cookies and other site data unchecked. Keeping cookies unchecked helps you stay signed in to websites and preserves site preferences. If you were to clear cookies, many sites would sign you out, which isn't necessary for a simple cache cleanup. Once you've set the time range to all time, checked cached images and files, and confirmed other boxes are unchecked, click Delete Data. Chrome will take a moment to remove the stored files. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, and it won't remove your browsing history if you left that box unchecked. After the cache is cleared, the first time you revisit websites, some images may load a little slower than usual. That's normal. Chrome is rebuilding a fresh, efficient cache in the background. From then on, pages should feel snappier, and problems like layout glitches or stubborn old page versions often disappear. I won't delete mine here, but if you follow these steps, you're good to go. That's all it takes to clear the Chrome cache on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, faster browsing experience.